Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV, Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2026 Forest River ROCKWOOD Mini Lite. It's the 2522FB. You've got single slide out in the living room, one also in the bedroom, so dual slide out, rear kitchen, great couple floor plan. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. All right, standing at the entry door looking in, your bedroom to the right. Looking back, dinette across from the theater seats, kitchen in the back, your bathroom here on the left. Then looking towards the front, your wide open bedroom area, so queen walk around bed. You got overhead cabinetry. You've got vent, AC ducts. You do have a shade for that front windshield that rolls down. Overhead storage, blackout roller shades, fire escape window does open, and you got charging areas, receptacles, drawer space underneath. You got drawers and you got storage. As soon as you come in, you got drawers, your fuse panel, circuit breakers, your solar controller, and your WeRV control panel. Control your lights, awning, slides, check your holding tanks, all right here in a convenient area. Nice table, or it's a little place to stash some stuff as soon as you come in. You do have two slides. So in the bedroom area, you've got shelves that are removable, hanging storage and drawers. You've got the lift. So your TV's up. Like so, you hold the button. We're running on 12 volts, so right off the battery. You can put the TV down and then you got access to that window. Lots of natural light. If you're not a TV person, you leave it down. Good to travel with it in the down position. Pop-up charging areas on either end. Your dinette drops down to make a bed. We'll take a look at that. All right, I normally lift the cushions, flip the lever like so, and it's spring-loaded. It goes down. You can lock it back in place, and then you utilize these cushions, as you can hear the Velcro, to make the bed. And there is your bed ready to go. And then setting it back up same way. I try to get the cushions out of the way. And then you unlock, lift all the way to the desired height, and it will lock in place. Then again, utilize that Velcro, and the cushions will stay in place. And there are your drawers underneath, furnace, and the ledge on here is what the table rests on. You've got ducted AC, we mentioned, theater seats with cup holders, footrest. The slide is a flush slide out. Little storage area here. Again, roller shades throughout. Overhead storage. 12 volt dual swing refrigerator freezer. So from either side, you can open that, and then your freezer down low. Your large Magic Chef oven with LED lights. You got a 3-burner range. Acts as a splash guard there, that cover. Lighting, storage. Kitchen area is a large stainless sink. You got roll-up covers on either side. Again, another pop-up charging area, microwave, and storage down low. Silverware holder. Your bathroom. In the shower, I'm 6'5". I'm just inside the skylight, so good height for me. You've got night light, regular lighting, good storage, Maxxair fan with a cover on the roof, lots of room around the toilet. You do have a heat duct and an AC duct. Your brand new 2026 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2522. Work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, your front automotive glass, your docking LED light is controlled from here. Dual battery box will come with one battery. You got the rock guard, your 7-pin and chain holder right here. Power tongue jack, two 30-pound LP bottles. Your side opening compartment door with the magnet. You've got a dry weight of this 5,917 pounds. We equip this with slide toppers over your slide outs. Wide open pass-through storage. See that aluminum frame? Fresh water fill. Frameless windows. Nice slam latch doors. You got a little storage area here. Exhaust for your range. 6-gallon hot water heater. It's gas electric. Your pull valves for your gray tank. You've got a 30-amp service. Let's see. Your freshwater low point drain. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Solar panel, top of your slide toppers, your AC, Maxxair fan with a cover, your skylight, nice clean roof. Well, not clean, but you are prepped for a backup camera. You've got hot and cold outside shower, black tank flush, winterization, your cable hookup, all in one convenient area. You've got a 300-pound weight rating on this hitch. Good for bike rack, storage bin. You can slide your spare tire over. Full-length power awning with a support arm. Spot here for your prep table. You've got LP Quick Connect. And then electric stabilizer jacks are controlled here. Cable and power. You can bring your TV outside. We are looking at Goodyear Endurance tires, 14-inch. Step above entry step, fold right up into the camper. You've got the new MORROD safety rail. And the other side of your pass-through storage, they give you little magnets to hold up your cranks. Prep for Go Power for your portable solar panel. If you wanted to have a portable one in addition to what's on the roof, trickle charge those batteries. Front stabilizer jacks are controlled here. Again, side opening compartment doors with the slam latch. Your brand new 2026 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite. It's the 2522FB. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, slide in. No issues getting in the bed, but you are going to need to put the slide out to get to the kitchen or the bathroom. So you need to put the main slide out to have access to the rest of the camper.